People ask, what is sports and why is it so important? Here are some informations about sports. Why is it necessary for us? In nowadays generation, sports plays a very important role in our lives. So, let us ask the big question. Should we be so obsessed with sports? Is playing sports actually good for us as we make it to be, or just we play it for fun and entire pastime? So, why does sports and science both work together? First of all, we accept that exercise is very good for our body and mind, and it is a definitely true. Exercising, especially when we are younger, has a long time health benefit, like it strengthens our bones, it lowers cholesterol in our bodies, we get safe from risk of stroke. Participate in sports and its importance. Now, schools, when participating in sports, improves skills of children. It also helps in reducing depression in children for about 4 years, up to 4 years. And they also give them a chance or an opportunity to motivate themselves to compete with friends and classmates. They also have lots of fun. Schools that participate in sports are gained to understand good leadership qualities. They also help in making friend circles and social benefits. Schools also develop lots of advantages where children realize failure and losses. So, schools play a very important role in the field of sports for kids in this generation. Our brain, because of physical exercise and training, our brain improves endorphins. It also sharpens our mind and focuses all our improved moods and our memory power. By exercising, these are the important things that happen. Our memory power improves, our focus improves, and even our minds get sharpened. Sports is a thing which helps its only benefits, right? There are no disadvantages of sports. By doing sports, the benefits of going to a gym 5 days a week are as good as competing in a team. So here are where the interest. It turns out that if you can find a sport which you are interested in, which has got the qualities of your requirements, for example, cycling or skipping or whatever, right? It gives you benefits. You should like the game which you are doing, or rather, it should suit your body or it should suit your interest. You cannot just take any game and try to play it which will not suit your interest or thing. But it has to be a physical game so that it improves your brain power. Right? So there are many advantages where you do exercises. Right? There has to be particular timings and it has to be like days. Mostly team games help out because it brings out leadership quality and you enjoy it more, right? It shows you that way you can trust people in your game. It even gives you the courage to take help from people, and give help also to others. So, in short, sports is a very beneficial thing. As I said in the beginning, it brings out social bonding and qualities. And of course, you learn to be a very good leader. And moreover, by doing sports or exercises, you just get interested in it. Sports gives us confidence. It is found when training just by working at a skill, especially with your teammates and a good coach. You refine the growth mindset within the self, that when you say everything is easy, it can be done today or whenever you are putting efforts in taking part in sports and games. Now, sometimes the mindset is useful in all walks of life. When we say the mind gets set for all walks of life, is in the competition world, where you have to select any all different types of thing. You do not lose confidence, you stay confident enough, right, to take part in any kind of activity such, right. There is a learning through failure. One of the train formats long time benefits of physical sports is the experience of competing, right? The experience of competing, right? A defeat built up the average of becoming stronger in future. Academical and social physical health also is there in sports. So it could be that some team may be very strong in competition, some team may not be very strong in competition, and you may not find your place in that, so you just fall out, right? Otherwise, if you pick the sport which you're good in, there are many varieties of sports, right? Whether it is lawn tennis, badminton, football, basketball, whatever. If you pick the right sport, you will happen to become the best in that particular field. It is also taking time to find a sport which plays to your needs. So you get a perfect competition in that area and you grow with that, right? There are lots of benefits, as I said, especially when you join up with teams and teammates.